I bought a ticket. This is the ticket. I'm going there 1000 like for to and fro. Okay. Hello, good morning. What go Rikta? Guys, I'm just in bus station right now. I bought a ticket. It's €7.50 and I'm just waiting for the bus. It will be in 15 minutes. That's what officer said me here. So I'm just waiting for the bus and that's it. So it takes around 1.5 hours to reach Puerto Rico. From there I'll switch over to Albania, Tirana. So stay tuned guys. Go to Puerto Rico, see who is there with me. Our own friends. So they are hopping off in Budva. So we'll see you soon. They'll come to India or else I'll go to another place. Anyhow, we are going to meet soon.
Yeah. Hit the like button, subscribe, and write a comment. Here we go.
Thank you guys.
Continuing travel.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Bus stop right now, bus station right now in Puerto Rico. So I'm going to Tirana. So I'm just having some good Montenegro final dish. So with cheese and French fries and chicken. So that's all. This is the dish, guys. With chicken and all those stuff. Look yummy. So let's get it. So yummy. Going to hop on this bus. It's a Mercedes Benz. So I don't know, at 8 o'clock it may reach over there, Tirana, depending upon the weather condition. It's dark. It's getting dark over here, so I may not be able to shoot properly. Okay, I'll see you then. I am now in Albania, my 21st country, and in Tirana right now. I came day before yesterday over here, and yesterday I was full resting in my hostel. I didn't go out. I was just editing in the videos and I was in the hostel itself. And today I'm just outside. I bought the SIM, Vodafone SIM. It is 12 GB for 1300 lek. So most of the places you need to give the cash. So withdraw hands of money. So hostel it costs, with the breakfast it costs around 800 lek. Very cheap with the breakfast included, so that's very good deal. I'm staying for 4 more days. 6th I'll be leaving for Dubai. So welcome to Tirana. So before that, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like the video, and any questions just put in the comment guys. So once again, welcome to the video guys. So fresh, everything is so fresh over here. Tons of fruits, everything, walnuts. Beautiful, right? Guys, I'm just inside the park now, Grand Park in Tirana, so I'm just wandering over here inside. So But this is how it looks. It's free actually, and there's no need to pay anything. And people are there, some people are there. It's not that cold. It's around 13-14 degrees. But I think I'm used to it. I'm not feeling so cold over here. I'm just walking inside the park now. I'm just walking towards the lake. There is a lake, so I'll show you once there. I reached there, and they have a barbecue spot also over there, but I don't know whether I can reach over there or not. Anyhow, this is an not well maintained. It's a natural park, but they have a beautiful path over here to walk, everything, and cycling or all those things you can do. Skating, roller skating, whatever you feel like you want to do. So there's a lot of place to outdoor exercise also in the park. So, and there's few spots where you can have your drinking water as well. There is no charge to entry fee, anything over in this park. So this is what I just came in front of the lake right now. So I'm not saying damn beautiful. It's just an artificial lake, and you have some points where you can do barbecue, and some people are involved in some activities like outdoor exercise and those stuffs and all. And some people are sitting and chatting over here in front of the lake. Yeah, that suits. So if you come with your girlfriend or you. Go there is beautiful, but there are a lot of local couples who are in romantic mood, so I'm not going over there. I'm not disturbing their privacy, guys, so I'm not going there. Please don't ask me to go there. Okay. Good morning, guys. Welcome to one more episode of Engineering Travel. I am vlogging this from Tirana, and this is my third day. And first day, as you guys know, that I didn't go anywhere. And second day, I showed you the city views. And today, third day, I am going on top of that mountain. So let us see what happens, if I could go or not. It's cloudy today. Yesterday it was sunny. It was very beautiful yesterday, but it is cloudy. I don't know if it rains or not, but still I'm going, guys. So don't forget to subscribe. This is how it is, the road. I'm just walking towards it. Right now time is 8:30 in the morning, guys. So welcome to my channel and subscribe. Do like if you like the video, and share with your family and friends. Whatever you want to do, you do, guys. Let us travel together the world. Okay, let's get into the video. I think I walked 3 kilometers right now, so more 2 kilometers is there, I guess. So I'm walking still, so we'll see what happens. You can see this is what the fruit I was selling. It's there in every house. Hi. All these are homemade, guys. It's not from the farm, actually it's from the home. Guys, I'll show you a scene. See how beautiful it is. You can see those trees. It's red, golden, yellow, green, every color you have. I'm just wearing this outer coat, and see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see over there. If it is not possible to withstand the freezing, I'll come back definitely. I don't want to freeze and die over there, but still I'm gonna do it, guys, for you. Just pause the video and see. It's all roads, everything is there inside it. So let's do it. I bought the ticket. This is the ticket. I'm going there 1,000 like for to and fro. guys, there is good. And you can see the snowfall, everything is there, and it's good. There is bit of snowfall and so here, put here. So you can also ride on these horses, any of these horses, and you can also do shootings over here, practice your shooting skills or your shooting skills. Nothing. So you can also shoot. There is a shooting range over here. You can also practice shooting, and that is good. So few activities over here, and there is one. Yeah, I'm just out of the hostel right now. It's noon right now, and it was raining heavily in the morning, so I couldn't do anything much. So welcome guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe before watching this video. Like. Vegi Kastrioti Skanderberg, and that's why it's called a Skanderberg Square. And he was a national hero, and this was built for his memorial, and it's around 40,000 square meter, guys, the area of this one. It's a huge, and it's all decked with flowers, lights and all, because of National Day. It was 2 days before, and now the Christmas is near.